The winner is... Daniel and Jade! With the help of their little-known friend, Daniel and Jade have taken their very first win of the season.
Myself, when we played that night, I thought, oh, this could be half a point the wrong way here.
Extending their kitchen into the hallway has compromised the space for furniture in their living and dining.
Jimmy, I don't think we should put a dining table in here. I think this should be all living.
OK.
Hot off the press, Jimmy and Tam have decided to delete the dining space from their living dining. In its place will be a 50s-inspired brick fireplace with cosy armchairs and space for one lounge in front of the television.
Putting a dining table in here is going to cut it off massively, and we're not going to have anything to work with, and this is an entertaining house. OK, I think we're done.
Done?
Yep.
Oh, my God. Tam's already styled.
Who?
Tam's already styled.
Yeah, well, we know that.
Everything's in there. Are you kidding? How?
How's
it possible?
It's been a really good week for us.
Really good week.
Done, apart from curtains, which is out of our control. Other than that, we are finished.
So hang on, you finished your room on a Friday night?
We did finish our room on a Friday night.
Done. Far out.
We're done.
Friday night. It's a big record.
No one has ever finished a room 2 nights before room reveal.
Friday night.
We're going to have a domain listings challenge.
You are going to need to work very closely with them to write the copy, to get fantastic photographs of your finished rooms and to produce a video.
Make me look beautiful.
I'll try.
Come have a look at this sick house.
So here we are in the heart of the home, the kitchen. What are you doing here?
And go.
Welcome to our house. This is
OK, scoring time, $5,000 on the line from Domain. You need a 10 to win.
Come on.
Guys, for me, I think I spoke at the beginning about what I was looking for, and that was something unique and eye-catching. You guys have taken a kind of big risk with your listing video, but I really think that risk paid off, and it's a 10.
Jimmy and Tam.
They won again.
You want to do that again? Again?
Yeah.
Again?
Couldn't believe it. Could not believe it.
I could believe it.
Message received today. Hi, Cash. It's Keith. Can yourself or Harry please give me a call back?
Message deleted. No.
Yes, these two are not happy with Foreman Keith.
We had a phone call from Keith making accusations that my plumber butchered the sewer point.
Your plumber's actually pulled all the stormwater system apart under the house.
He's...
And we're quite annoyed. It's a huge job now to fix it. And Marty, our site plumber, wants to charge Harry $2,000 or $3,000 to fix this up.
So we called
called our
that
plumber to check.
We had a phone call from Keith. Apparently the sewer piping has impacted on the way they're running their stormwater.
Yeah, I spoke to Marty about that.
He was actually surprised that this was brought up. He was like, no. He goes, of course I spoke to Marty.
And what did he say?
He said he'll work around it because it's a charged system, so it doesn't have to be level, yeah? So they can just go underneath it.
Yeah.
So I actually then rang Keith back and told him what was said. My plumber had a conversation with Marty. I don't want to get charged anything if there's a discussion had and my plumber did the right thing and contacted Marty.
Have you become the boss now, Harry?
No, I'm not becoming the boss. I'd like to have that conversation in person. It's either his way or the highway.
Mate, I'm telling you now, it's black and white. Marty's going to repair it himself. And we're going to give you a bill of at least $2,000. That's how it's going to be, mate.
No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not.
See ya.
Now, Harry's back on site.
I was very angry. I was upset with Keith.
And Keith is right there, waiting for Harry.
Hey, Harry. Can I see you a sec, mate?
Uh-oh.
You rang me? I was trying to, rather than waiting until I come on site to have a discussion, you automatically assume that my plumber did the wrong thing.
He did. Mate, anyway, what's going to happen, right? We get a bill of $2,000
I'm not paying
minimum.
for it. Sorry, Keith.
Mate, unfortunately you are.
I'm sorry, I'm not paying for it.
See you, mate.
Pay for yourself, Keith. Look, I'm not happy the way that whole conversation went. We try and do the right thing by the block, by the foreman. Whenever there's an issue, we resolve it straight away. And I won't back down on things I believe in. So my plumber will be here sometime this week. We'll get sorted. We move on.